Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Biacchino. So Bitcoin trending slightly lower but still caught in this range. If you're looking for shorter term levels, remember you can always do little extensions. So you could even do something like from that swing high within the constrained range to that swing low. And then we're going to go to our forward levels. So these would give you minor levels, if you're looking for shorter term trades or for bottoming patterns or shorter term time frames. So you'd have 98.09 and then 97.47. The key level we're still watching is 96.41. So if we break below this 98.71, the major level we'll be watching is this 96.41. To the upside still, major resistance. First level is about 10,265. And then we'll be watching about 10,330 to 10,368. If we jump over to the daily chart, so you can see you're still in this major range, although near the lower end. So this is very key support. You see coming all the way back to the August 14th area, the August 21st area, August 24th, breaking below it there, but snapping right back in, retesting this key support September 11th, September 13th, and now retesting again. So really pay attention to this area. It looks like we get some volume stepping in every time we come down here. So there's definitely buyers right in this area. So keep that in mind. Also, though, if we get a significant close below here, a bunch of people might then dump what they've bought and look to buy back at a lower price. Slightly in oversold condition, but since we're in a range, we're not really focusing on that, although it is against the key support. So that would be more of a short-term a trade with a stop right below those key levels for a very short-term trader. Not that we're saying to do anything, because this is for educational purposes only. So that's what we look like for Bitcoin. Ethereum, remember we talked about our divergence earlier a couple days ago, coming down, holding the rotation zone in the 25% retracement level right here, now just dropping below it, coming down to test the 50-day exponential moving average. We now have the first cross of the rotation zone against us on the 4-hour. So that is now going to become some minor resistance. So the minor resistance area we're going to be watching is 212.60. If we get through that, then we'll be watching for a return to right around the 220 area. So that's the key support. That's the key resistance. If we break down, especially below about 205, start watching for 202.50, then 194.82. We are in oversold condition, and we are setting up a minor divergence. So you see lower low here in price action. So far, higher low in RSI. So this corrective move might be over. And if we do get another move back up, we call this a double cross pattern, which means we're still bullish on the higher time frame. We just had a corrective move, and why we call it the double cross pattern is our rotation will briefly cross down, then cross back up, and the move will resume. So that means we should check in on the daily chart. So you see here, daily chart, we talked about, we pulled far away from the rotation zone, and we'd be watching either drift sideways or a slight pullback. Now we've pulled back to the rotation zone and the flat 200, so this is very key support. And we're getting out of the overbought condition, but we're sitting right at this very key support. See this upper end of the rotation zone? So watch for that rotation back up, especially with that divergence, because that's going to be, then we have a bullish rotation back up on the daily, and we got a double cross pattern on the 4-hour. Now, if this low so far does not hold, then we'll be watching for the bigger pullback. This low is 206.32. Then we'd be watching for that 202.50 level, but really down towards the bottom end of the rotation zone. We have a sort of a wide range. I already listed that 195 area, but it could actually go up to about 198.60. So 195 to 198.60 based off the daily is the area we'll be watching if today's low is violated. That's what we have for you, and we'll talk to everyone again soon. Bye for now.